Oh shit. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing the cheapest mod I've ever seen before, and it should look good. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. It's gonna be a very nice short video. Today actually in Sacramento, we actually for the first time, or at least first time for me, we actually got a tornado warning, and we had thunder, we had lightning, and it was freaking crazy. But we still have to go outside and grind and try to do this mod because YOLO. And if you guys don't believe me, here's the warning sign and here's a little clip of the sky of how it looked earlier.
Oh my God!
There's a package, got it off Amazon from Diode Dynamics, something like that. Let's open it up and let's see what's in the box. 3, 2, 1. Ah, bingo. There you go, guys. Here we go. Diode tell as a turn. So I'm gonna show you exactly what this does. It's simple plug and play. Let's open it up. I'll show you guys outside exactly what it does. As you guys can see right here, look. When you guys turn the signal, it has like these old JDMs, just like the little red bulb. But once you plug it in, it freaking does both circles. And the G35 is gonna be different, of course. But let's go outside, show you how it does, show you the before and the after, and then yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this mod. It's only 50 bucks from Diode Dynamics. I can't say the name. 50 bucks, guys. 50 bucks, the cheapest mod you can ever do. Let's go outside and see. Guys, I tried to cover my car because it was supposed to hail as well. Oh, a little kitty. It was supposed to hail. It was hailing in a place exactly 20 minutes away from here. And so we put this on to, you know, maybe protect some of the hail damage. But obviously it might have not done it, but oh well. The wind blew it away. I gotta take off these weights, I don't know, just to keep this in place, but obviously didn't do a very good job. But let's open the car. Oh my god, it's dirty. Alright, so let's take these bricks off. Alright guys, so essentially this is what the original OEM tail light looks like. Let's turn on the car real quick. Let's put on the signal. Oh, look. So when you're turning, this is what it looks like. Just a bright red circle, right? So when I plug this mod in, it's gonna act not this red light, but this one and the inner one as one. So that's the quick mod that we're doing right now. We got our handy dandy tool. Let's go back to the trunk. All right, guys. So basically, I took off the mats that was in my trunk, the whole mat. And all my shit, you know, you don't need that. We're basically here where you have the spare tire. I don't have my spare tire. This was right here. You basically just yank on this and it comes off just like any other thing in the car. You yank on it. Why do I have those freaking hair? What the? Anyways, if you see this mat right here, you basically just release it, and then you have one and you have the other one over there. We basically just unplug those, and then you said you want to tuck it inside so that this doesn't heat up the felt whatever here and causes, I don't know, something. So you want to tuck it in all the way inside. So let's go ahead and do that. So basically we just disconnected this here, and it's literally plug and play. You connect this to here and connect this small one to the one that's already on the wall, and it should look a little bit something like this. As you can see, guys, it looks almost like I didn't even do nothing, right? But we basically just plugged in everything here. Look, everything's already connected. We unplugged this was right here connected to here. Basically you just unplug it, put this intermediate thing in the middle, plug the small one to here, the other thing over here, and you want to hide it in this. There's a hole down there. Basically just put all the cables in there so that the thing is clashing. If there's any kind of heat, it'll go down to the metal instead of, I need both hands. Sorry guys, I need both hands. Put this back, put the other thing back, and you're all set, and then we should see the final result. But let's do this side first. We just got done with the other side. Alright guys, we closed the trunk. Let's go turn on the car and see the final results. Okay, there you go. You guys see? Let me turn this off. So if you guys want a kind of difference, here's the old style, how it looked before. And now this is the new one. It's a really cheap mod. Let's see, let's do one side. There you go. So your turning signal, now it'll look like that. Alright guys, so that was a quick mod we did on the G35. If you guys enjoyed it and if you guys want to do it, guys, it was by far the easiest installation of my life. I wish all installations were that easy, honestly. 50 bucks on Dow Day Dynamics. I know they charge you for shipping, but if you have Amazon Prime, which I do, which I get for free through my school, then you don't have to pay for shipping. So I recommend you get them on Amazon. Unless you don't have Amazon Prime, then just get them through the website, or I think you might have to wait a little longer, but it'll still be free on Amazon. I'm not really sure how that works, but they're 50 bucks. You know, it's a great little mod. It's something different. You don't see it in a lot of G's, and why not, right? So I'll leave the link down to the website down in the description below. Feel free to look through it. It's only $50. I think it's a wonderful price for a mod like that, and I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for supporting. The trunk, I got an update. In LA, the weather is kind of bad, kind of like here, cloudy, rainy. So they're kind of holding off on the trunk. But once the sun comes out again, they'll be back to work on it. And we should be able to get our carbon fiber trunk soon. So I'll give you guys more updates in other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a like. Drop down a comment what you guys think of this mod, if it's worth it. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.